Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling widgets so they appear on the taskbar. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar, and flip Widgets on. Sign into your Microsoft account next so your feeds and calendar sync properly. This gives you saved interests and personalized content. Once done, right-click the taskbar to confirm the widget's icon is visible and pin it if needed. Make sure Windows is up to date, so widgets run smoothly, and you won't open the widgets pane by clicking the taskbar icon. You'll see the feed and a plus to add widgets. Click your profile to manage interests so the feed shows relevant stories. Once set, use the Add menu to place weather, calendar, tasks, and third-party widgets. Drag widgets to rearrange the layout and click the three-dot menu on a card to resize or remove it. Make sure to pin frequently used widgets and sign into connected apps for full functionality. You interact with widgets by clicking cards to expand details or tapping quick actions to open apps. This saves time compared to launching full programs. To manage clutter, remove or resize widgets from the three-dot menu and clear activity from your widget settings when recommendations go off track. If widgets stop updating or fail to load, restart Windows Explorer, sign out and back into your Microsoft account, or run Windows Update. These steps often fix cache or service issues, so widgets return to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.